know what Ndengu is, it's green grams. So I thought, why not just show you guys an easy, simple recipe.
Missing someone.
Good evening, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtutu wa Homa Bay County. So today I'm cooking chapati and Ndengu. If you don't know what Ndengu is, it's green grams. So I thought, why not just show you guys an easy, simple recipe of cooking Ndengu, aka green grams. Okay, so without any further ado, we're going to go straight into it. This Ndengu can be served with rice or chapati. So today we are having it with chapati.
The ingredients are green grams, curry powder, 1 tomato and 1 onion, and then I had this leftover carrot in the house, and also carrots in Ndengus are a thing. So I'm not going to waste this carrot. I'm going to put it in this Ndengu. So let's go. I'm going to grate the carrots, cut the onions and the tomatoes off camera, and then I'll be back. So in a sufuria, put in the onions and oil, then wait for the onions to turn golden brown. Add in the tomato and the grated carrots and then cover to let it simmer for around 3 minutes. Then now we're going to put in a tablespoon of curry powder, now going to add in the green grams aka Ndengu and stir everything together. Add in salt to taste, stir it again. Add in some water, just enough to suit what you're serving it with. Cover it and let it boil for around 7 minutes.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning and the dawn, know you wanna ride. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party, 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 party. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party. Let's talk about it, party, 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 party. I'm da 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 da.
So I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.